What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video here on the John Doc YouTube channel. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, this gem right behind me is going to be the star of this video. And we're going to dive right in there and see what the old Junkyard LS engine has in store for us today. But before we get rolling on that, I have a couple announcements I want to make sure you guys are all up to date with. First off, brand new video out on the LS Nasty YouTube channel, just kind of a Q&A, answering a lot of asked questions that I don't really get to talk about. So head over to the LS Nasty YouTube channel. I'll link something up here or down in the description below, and you guys can go and check that out. Second, which has to do with the LS Nasty brand, we got some brand new badass designs coming out, which I think are absolutely killer. Gonna change it up, so get ready. I haven't shown any yet. They're just getting finalized, and then I'll be able to show you guys, but they are absolutely killer. And most importantly, what I want to talk about is today is Thursday. If you guys are watching this video at lunchtime, hope you guys are having a great lunch, almost through the work week, one more day, so hope you guys are killing it, have a smile on your face. But more importantly than that, because I don't care if you're smiling or not, I care that you guys come out to Galot tonight, because Galot Motorsports Park is doing a monthly small tire race. So we're going to be out there with Brown Sugar and the Black Sheep. We're going to be running both those cars, but it is an absolutely badass class. So if you do have a small tire car, you definitely want to get out there. Turbo John, which I'll link his YouTube channel in the description below, he kind of orchestrated it, and LS Nasty got on board. We're helping out with the purse. So what it looks like right now is they're paying $500 to the winner, $0 entry fee. So if you fit the rules, which I'll put up here somewhere, I'll link the rules over here. If you fit the rules, you need to enter it because you have the opportunity to win free money. It's drag racing, you never know. 4 people could break against you. 4 people can knock the tires off, and you don't have to have the fastest car. All you gotta do is get down track. $500 to the winner. Awesome, awesome race. Galot Motorsports Park this Thursday, which is today. Get off your butt. Don't go home and sit and drink a beer. Come out to the track and drink a beer and watch some badass racing. The local small tire class is absolutely killer. We got some really badass cars, and yeah, so all right, enough of me talking. Let's talk about what we got here. So this is my last Junkyard 5.3. And this guy here was a Pennsylvania motor, just like Wes's, so you see what they could be. The green engine was a Pennsylvania motor. That engine's a Pennsylvania motor. This one was a Pennsylvania motor. This is the only one that really gave me issues. This one had some broken pistons. All my iron block stuff seems to work really well and do pretty good, but aluminum block had the pistons kind of give up. Over here, it's just pulled out of a truck. I mean, this is how they literally just yanked it. They cut the harness in the back. Where is it? Somewhere. You can see where the harness, oh, right here, look at that. They cut the harness and literally ripped it out, and this is what we're left with. So I actually sold this to one of my friends, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear it down and we're gonna put a camshaft in it for him. But today's video, it's gonna be like a what's inside, because actually I'm gonna lie. No, it wasn't one of mine. Danny, you guys saw us take apart Danny's engine, and he had like 3 pistons seized up. They would not move in the holes. So you never know what's inside. Sometimes you get exciting broken piston action. Sometimes they go well, and this one is unknown. So we're going to rip all of the garbage off of it. We're gonna knock the front drive off, take the balancer off, take the water pump off, take the AC condenser and all that stuff off, take the factory manifolds off, and we're gonna get into it and see what we have in store. This part, I hate taking all the junk off. I like to mess with them once the intake's off and everything else is off, and you can kind of focus on it, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta pay your dues, I guess. I left for like 5 minutes, and look at Westbo over here, just absolutely trucking. Any interesting find? Oh no, oh no, stripped. I just saw it from here. I just saw it from here.
It's so rusty.
God dang.
All these are, I don't even, what are these, Ben? 15 or 17? The 15 won't go on that one at all.
God, these are a little crusty. Hold on, let me see this guy here.
Oh, that's not supposed to be like that.
No, this is some custom stuff.
Yeah, these are all 13s.
That's
one.
a different size.
Yeah. You know it's cross-threaded.
And it's like that one was just sent in there. Let's see what else. All right, Wes.
Oh, look at that.
That one's got some booty behind it, huh?
He was pissed trying to get that off.
So how are your findings on this one? How is it? Like, rate it 1 to 10.
It's probably cleaner than, I'd say, the 6.0s that we pulled apart.
Yeah.
Oh,
no. No! God, no. Oh.
That one's pissed.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's just like, yep. Let me just hammer it a couple more times to get it off.
I don't think Charlie will be reusing the bolt, so.
What's your strategy on that?
Oh, that one's so round.
Is that one round? Oh, brother, we got to get the air hammer out. How are you feeling taking it apart?
Not bad.
No, I feel pretty good about this one.
This one's been pretty easy to take apart, to be honest.
No, you just strip that bolt pretty quick. Oh no.
Oh, it's the same one.
Oh no. You're like, this one's coming off pretty easy. You better strip the sockets.
I'm trying to.
Oh, brother, I can see how round it is here. Oh, 2. Wait, you got one more. Let's see, can we go 3 for 3 and strip them? That one went to work. Oh, that's much better.
That's snug as a bug in a rug.
You ready to strip it out? Oh, we got it!
God.
Conquered. Take that home and put it on your
They
dresser.
don't call me the LS King for no reason.
Is that what they call you? No, you hold it.
You don't trust me? I played baseball for like 40 years. Look at that.
Snugger than a bug in a rug.
Oh,
Look at that.
Hey, we'll send that with him. He can reuse that.
Those heads are perfect. You don't have to go through and get anything out. Oh, wait, this one? Oh my God.
What?
What?
Oh no.
This hole is so much bigger.
Oh no, baby.
They stripped it and they put they tapped it so much larger than what they needed to.
That is no bueno.
Oh my, I mean, don't matter.
Hey, you know what that means? 1/2-inch studs.
This guy got an upgraded exhaust stud.
God. We'll send it to the other side.
Wait, let's pull a spark plug out and see what they look like. I paid like $150 to get this for the Hemi and they gave it in the wrong size. But hey, you got a new LS spark plug tool. Dude, the Hulk tightened these. Ben, look at this. You're about to die. They obviously stripped a bolt, stripped the head, and they tapped it, but they tapped it like five times too big.
Put a gap on that thing.
I'll save my gloves.
How big is the gap on that spark plug?
Huge.
That's like 40,000.
You know what that means? It's for low boost.
Hold on. We got a gapping tool right here.
Well, folks at home, I made a mess. Had a little bit of juice behind it when I cracked the cap, and oil went everywhere. Ben, is this comical to you? Yes. Yeah. Ben just gets to sit back and watch and laugh. But you know the pain? I couldn't get it in the bucket quick enough. But yeah, it was full of oil. Hey, at least they give us an engine full of oil. Keep it lubricated. That's we got the Exxon Valdez over here, Wes.
Now what was that last night?
Oh, this one's pretty bad.
First look
What's your
at the 5.3.
Huh?
It's the first look at the 5.3 right here.
Is it going to be another lack of oil change? They all look like that. Here we are.
Who would have thought you had to change oil?
Not terrible.
Not the worst one ever.
No, I've seen much worse. No, I mean, I don't mind this one. This one's actually shaped up to be a pretty decent one here. Nope, it's not gonna do it. Thought we had her for a second there. Thought we had her. Oh, damn. I'm trying to be super lazy right now and not take the accessory drive
Oh
off.
God,
But
that bird
pull.
just hit me.
Is that another pterodactyl in here?
Is over by that light?
I'm trying to pull the head off without pulling the accessory drive off since I don't want to do it right now. It's hot.
And it's like midnight.
And it's like midnight, yeah. So, well, I mean, listen. if one bank is fine, the other bank has got to be fine. How's it look?
Same? Oh, look at the crust in there. God, I can't believe it has aftermarket valve springs.
God, look at the...
Coated?
Yeah.
It's got the bed liner on.
It's got the bed liner on it. These are nice.
Those are fun to use. That's actually a heat resistant coating.
Once I get done with a little Red Max, it's been a while since we've washed down an engine. That's what's going on later this week or next week. We're gonna give it a good old wash.
Hose her down.
Get rid of all the gunk. It's crazy. You can see all the gunk there, and you can see where the fuel spray is. It's clean. Where the fuel sprays is good. Anyway, that's just, what is that, carbon?
Yeah.
This one just has an actual crater in it. Getting better. Look at this. Full trunnion upgrade. These things will handle like 1,300 horsepower. You want these, Wes? Oh! This one doesn't have the bed liner mod. Huh. This side. You must be doing oil changes per bank.
Where are we using those?
Isn't that crazy? Starting to be slightly something weird's going on now. Oil starvation on this side? I was just saying that each bank is going to mirror each other and they're two completely different colors. Alright, well let's just yank this head off.
Time to send it.
Any surprises behind door number 1? What are your guess? No? Even though the push rods were a weird color, maybe they were fresh, the push rods.
Maybe.
Wes?
I think it'll be fine. What do you think?
I think this one's going to be the best motor we've ever opened up.
It's because we're not keeping it is why.
When do you think the last time this piston saw daylight was?
2000.
This one's definitely like an 08. It had a drive-by cable throttle body, or it had drive-by wire. Drive-by wire? Damn. Cam sensor in the back. It's got to be a 2014, huh?
04. At least 110 years.
God, I can't wait till we're old and we're those guys like, there ain't no engine better than the LS engine. What? What is this? Threaded the whole way? You ever seen that? I've never seen that.
I was starting to get that smell.
What's that smell?
That smelly smell. The smell that smells smelly.
Do you smell it? That smell. The kind of smelly smell. A smelly smell that smells smelly.
Here we go. I'm excited.
Oh God. Just kidding. Looks good.
Hey. They're intact. All of them. God, it's still full of coolant.
No,
How do you know it's not a 4.8?
it's not got a flat top distance.
Oh, you're right. It's got a dish. Definitely had some head gasket issues here.
Pushing a little water?
Pushing water. Pressurized coolant system. All this horsepower. Oh, what is this? Like, why is this like scraped up? Why do I feel like this side had a head gasket replacement?
Maybe it did.
I think this head had to have been off at one point.
I don't know. That gunk doesn't get built up right there from being off.
Pennsylvania, let me tell you something about gunk. It's full of it.
You know about it. You've lived it
I'm a
firsthand.
product of Pennsylvania gunk.
Gunk survivor.
All right, well, I'm cool with it. So this engine is going to be a stock bottom end 5.3. You guys have seen us do it a million times. It's going to get camshaft kit. So camshaft, push rod, valve springs, lifters, oil pump, timing chain, cam gear, trunnion upgrade, valve springs. What else? Gasket kit.
What's it going in?
It's going into Ford Ranger.
Oh boy.
So yeah, with this old turbo.
Something different.
Turbo LS swap Ford Ranger, which I think is going to be sweet. Probably going to run on a Holly Terminator setup. So you saw what we did with the LS. We went 8s. With the 5.3 we went 8s. Currently talking about doing a absolutely ridiculous 5.3 build.
I think that'll be cool.
That will potentially go like mid-4s in the salted chicken. We're in the early stages of talking about it. So
we were really tired one night and kind of crazy.
Yeah, we were tired one night.
It was like 2 a.m.
Had a crazy idea, and I'm like, I'll give you an idea. I said, hey Ben, what do you think an engine that's 15-to-1 compression would? You think it would last? And he's like, yeah. And then I was like, what if it was a 5.3? He's like, yeah, just like that. So
stock bottom end race car.
Streetcar Joe is gonna see those taillights. And you know what? You guys know who Streetcar Joe is. He's got that badass, absolutely killer Trans Am flying, but he calls himself Streetcar Joe, but he's got no mirrors on the car. He's got no side view mirrors. Essentially a pro mod.
Race car.
That's a race car. Change your name on Instagram to Race Car Joe, or get some mirrors. One of the two.
You know what he needs?
What?
Some weld magnums. Because those things are
hot. They're hot. They're hotter than a $15 Rolex. The hottest wheel in the game. That's all the chicken's got. Weld alphas with a Magnum front runner. All right. It's like, what, 12:31 at this point?
Sleep.
So we're gonna end this video. If you learned something from this video, have mirrors on your car if you want to call it a street car. LS motors are the holy grail. 28 race tonight at Glot Motorsports Park. Don't miss it.
be there, be square.
Darlington Saturday. We'll be taking the black car down there. Anything else we're missing? Brown Sugar's back. Converter from the Cowmaro comes in tomorrow.
Got a bunch of stuff going on.
Yeah, I mean,
Knock sensors are showing.
knock sensors are... We don't run knock sensors around here. You guys so much for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. When you get done watching this video, go over and check out the video on the LS Nasty YouTube channel. See you at the track later tonight. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Ben, dab on him. He's still learning.